Hello there, folks. I just want to do a little video there now. I never done one for a while. This is me rig there. We got a snowstorm blizzard there tonight it's calling for. We had about a foot of snow within the last hour. I don't know what the video is going to show up like, but yeah, video last hour there. Now we've been having a major blizzard. Just going to walk through a bit of snow with you there now. Man, it's been hard keeping up with the gear. I went out yesterday now and walked in my snare line, trampled it all down, got it all ready, carried in moose skins and this stuff. And not for this morning, a moose walked down my trail and tore up all my slips. Well, this is my little shed I got here now for a skinning shack. I ain't got no furs around yet, but I'll hang some at once. I got them in the freezer down now, 2 or 3 coyotes and a couple weasels, and hopefully get a few beavers at once. That's me a few Christmas gifts I got there, a few 330s and half a dozen 220s. I got the little thing up there, the man cave. Yeah, it's alright. Put in this little stove there last week there. And had a little get together with a few of my crowd there last week, and then yeah, it's hard going. Made up a little 330 in this for the hotters, but there's been ice all around now and you can't get off from the shore and this and that, you know. So I just thought I'd do a little video of it now and show you what I'm up against now. It's been feet and feet of snow. Look out there, lads. Just been rambling now for the last 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I guess. Wicked. It's wicked. Yep. Snowshoes there. Using them a lot this year. Never wore them last 5 years. But anyhow, most snow we had, he says, in the last 40 years around here. And I believe it too. Well, yeah, guys, I won't keep it too long. Just a little update and have a happy new year. Sign off.